Technology is not about you in front of a screen doing your own thing. Teamwork. You work with people more than ever before.
When you get into some of the coding, you have to know angles and you have to know distance and all those things.
Okay, well, it's 20 degrees. That's my beat.
Salt. 45.
Okay?
See this?
Okay, throw, how many
Yeah?
are you going to do for
I'm
chicken?
gonna get a different block. Like this.
20, okay?
Do it. Okay.
Communication is essential. You have to listen to understand. You got to know what's right and what's wrong. And that's what builds resilience. Does that make sense?
These are water balloons. These are water balls.
Oh,
These are reusable ones.
and balloon it's balloon.
What? He scored a point. This is the last second.
Put this block in, and then I click go to 187 Y48, and then it goes up here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
Pretty good.
Oh. Oh, there you go.
Look at my lamp.
Wow, you have a lamp in there and everything?
And I have my book. And I have diamonds.
Wow.
She has books and
And
Fulfillment, right? She did an update to her phone.
Oh, yeah.
the admin.
So you see
Wow.